All right, I think we're live, and let's make sure the sound is good. It is. Yes, I did move my bedroom, my office around, so that's why my background is different. If you guys are on TikTok, you guys can see that. But let's get started here on Bitcoin and see where things are going. I'm a little bit late today, but we're here no matter what. All right, Bitcoin right now at $62,000. I do think 65K could happen this week. I think there's a 50% chance that happens. Maybe I'll say 55% chance. I'm leaning that it does happen by Sunday, but because it only has to go up $3,000 more. That's only like a 5 to 7% move for Bitcoin to get back to all-time highs. Because even if it goes to $75,001, that's a new all-time high basically. So yeah, the Gonfans are saying we should be going down here, but I do think since the weekend is over, I think the bullishness is going to come back to crypto, and I do think Bitcoin's going to start to go not only sideways, but I think it's going to start to slowly go up as the week progresses. Also now on the 1 hour chart, you're getting above the reversal point, so if you get much higher, if you get above 62.1 on the 1 hour chart, it's looking like that would be a sign of a reversal. Also, let's go to the 15-minute chart. Hopefully my internet works, because when I moved everything around, my internet stopped working, so I'm using my hotspot on my phone. The 15-minute chart is saying it is a buy signal. I don't love that indicator, but it is saying it's a buy signal, so I do think crypto's starting to turn bullish as we start this new week. So I do think by the end of the week, there's a good chance we see a new all-time high on Bitcoin. The price levels to look out for is going to be, I have some resistance. I have charted here at 63,640, and then above that it's the new all-time high, which on Coinbase is $64,975 is what it's telling me right now, according to my chart. And to the downside, the obviously super strong support is at $60,000. So we'll see how those hold up. And let's go over to Jasmine. Jasmine coin actually looks pretty bad right now, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. It's below 6 cents, so if you don't hold 5 cents, you're going to go down to 4 cents. So 5 cents is the next support, and 6 cents is resistance. That's basically it. A coin I did just make a TikTok video about. I tried to post it to YouTube, it didn't work. I posted a TikTok video about... Didn't want to just do that. Elon 1, Astro Elon, you can buy it on Uniswap. I think this has 10x potential. Right now, the market cap's about $150 million, and I think it's going to do very well. The Gonfans are saying we should go down on Elon 1 coin, but it's up 60% in the last 24 hours on the new then or so. But you just got above that major resistance line, which was 44.1, and now our next resistance is going to be, actually, I can't chart the new resistance because on this chart, it's saying we're at new all-time highs, but I knew the all-time high on Elon 1 is a $1 billion market cap, and right now it's only at like 150 million. So I know this chart isn't super up to date. It doesn't have the whole price history of Elon 1 coin for whatever reason. But we're continuing to go up. Now we're up 2.5% on the new day, so I believe this is going to probably get to 60, maybe even tonight, which would be another 15 to 20% move. And I got in down at 20, and right now it's at 48. So I don't know. Look into Elon 1. So I like Fearcoin. I like Elon 1 coin. Another super gem I think that might even be more parabolic than Elon 1 coin would be PBX coin. So I think I'm going to probably put $1,000 into that, maybe in a day or two. We do have support right here at 11.5. It's at 1.5 cents. I'm sorry. So I should say 1.5. If you go below 1.5, then obviously it's going to, I just have to see the next support. But if hopefully you hold that and you get a bounce here. It's an NFT related coin again, so I think it has a lot of potential. On the market cap, I'd have to double. I think the market cap's like, I don't know. I'd have to double check. I don't remember. I know it's pretty low though. Can you chart Phantom? Yes, I'll look at Phantom. Coin market cap. I want to see the market cap on this because I forgot. It's loading. Slowly loading. Slowly loading. Okay. FTM is what I wanted to look up. FTM. No, PBX. Hold on. PBX. Market cap on this is $6.3 million. So it's really low for PBX. I think this is another super gem. Similar market cap to Fearcoin, which I've talked a lot about. So I think this is another super gem. I'm going to put like $1,000 in it. So we'll see what happens. All right. Phantom. Let's look at Phantom. Is that what? Yeah, Phantom. FTM. My internet's being really... Okay, here we go. Phantom to USD. I'm going to use the Binance chart. Let me go to the daily chart, start out there. Okay, so I'm gonna have to redraw the fib retracement, which I'm gonna do right now. I haven't looked at this in a while. So if you do top to bottom, your local top here on the daily chart, which was on the 9th of October, 9 days ago, was $2.54. And let me get the bottom part. Okay, zoom out. Okay, so if your wick bottom here, if the top was 254, which it clearly was, and say the bottom is already in, which I don't know if it is, but say it is in at $1.76, which actually probably is because that was a big move up. Now you're at 222, and that was a few days ago. So probably $1.76 was your bottom. We'll see. If it is your bottom, then the 618 would be right where you're at right now at $2.24. $2 like it all went all the way. Yeah. So you got, looks like, yeah, it's kind of getting rejected off the 0.76 for sure, and maybe even the 618. We'll see what happens. Obviously, if you get back above 225, then you're going to be holding the 618 as support, which would be extremely bullish for this project, Phantom. And obviously, you're going to have some resistance where you got rejected a few days ago at $2.50. So that's kind of it. Now, let me go down to the 1 hour chart. Hold on. Okay, 1 hour chart. I did not want to just do that. 1 hour chart. Gone fans are saying you should go down, which is an indicator I use. Let me go to the 15-minute chart. Also, 15-minute chart is saying you should go down. We'll see what happens. So obviously, if you don't get back above 225, then you're gonna your next target. If we go back to the bigger time frame, if you don't hold the 618, your next fib would be the 0.5 at $2.15. And then you'd be looking at $2.05, and obviously $2 is probably going to be support. But yeah, if you don't hold 618, then you'd be looking at $2.15, which is, you know, only a few pennies lower. So we'll see what happens on that. But $2.25 is what you have to get back above if you want to be bullish on Phantom short term. And Safe Moon. Safe Moon. I know the market cap for Safe Moon is a lot higher than it is for Elan OneCoin, so okay, we're gonna have to use Uniswap. I don't know how good this chart's gonna be. I'm gonna have to go to Dex Tools actually to look at this. So give me a second. Safe Moon. Safe Moon Inu. Let's look at this. It has to load. Coinbase listing for Phantom next week, I believe. The coin I just talked about was Phantom, but I do like, yes. Let me go back to my, yeah, PBX coin is another super gem. I think it's gonna be, it's right there with Fear in market cap, which is both are NFT related coins. But I think, you know, PBX coin has a lot of potential, maybe even more than Fear, honestly, because Fear coin, you know, goes higher. It's making new all-time highs, not new all-time highs, but it's making higher highs and higher lows, assuming it doesn't go back below 82 cents. All right, so let's look at Safe Moon. Is that what we're on right now? SMI, Safe Moon. Is it Safe Moon Inu or Safe Moon? Is it the same thing? I don't know. I'm going to do Safe Moon Inu because I don't know. I don't see Safe Moon on here. All right, so let's look at this. Let me do the the fib retracements, if I can find that where that's at on here. So you kind of topped out here several times at what price level is that? 1035, and you're currently at 905. The 618, the 618 is going to be at 1301. It's not the 618. That is not the 618. The 618, you've already passed the 618. If you get back above 1018, you're going to have probably a moonshot to the next fib, which is up there at 1295. If you get above that, you'd be looking at the 261 at 1734. And then that's probably all we need to talk about right now. What is the market cap on this? So it's looking pretty good. You're above the 618, I believe. Let me go down. 618, yeah, you just crushed through that like it wasn't even there. And your next fib is at 0.78, which would be at 924, which is, you're almost there right now. If you get past that, you have a moonshot to whatever I just said. to 1,300. The market cap on this is almost $9 billion. So this does not, in my opinion, have 10x potential. I think this is probably not going to go much higher. I mean, in a blow off top, everything skyrockets, so this might double or triple the rest of the bull run, but it's not going to be your gem to make millions of dollars on. So that's just my take on that, at least. I could be wrong, but it's already at $9 billion. It could definitely go to $50 billion, because I know Dogecoin is at $40 billion, and at one point that was even higher, but I don't know. I don't think it's going to 10x from here. I don't think SafeMoon 10x's. VRA coin, sure. VRA coin. I'll use BitHub maybe. I feel like I've done this one before though, so I should have. Maybe I did Bittrex before. Maybe, I don't know. Yes, I did. All right. So because we have the fib retracements on here, so it's looking like you got higher than last time I looked at it. Last time I looked at it was at 5.5 cents. So let me update my fibs. Say you topped out here at 6.8 cents. I don't know if you did. I doubt it. I think it's just consolidating. But say you did the 618. Actually, I'm gonna have to redo this. I don't think that's right. Let me redo this. Yeah, your next target would be to the upside if you can get back above 6 cents is 7.9 cents, and then above that you're looking at 10.2 cents. So this is looking pretty bullish to me. You're right at the 0.236 fib at 5.1 cents. So as long as you hold at 5 cents, in my opinion, you're going to be bullish on this. And that'd be a ways down, actually. So I think this looks pretty good. Let me go to smaller time frames to see what my buy and sell signals. It's definitely a buy signal on the daily chart. The 1 hour chart is looking like a buy signal. Gone fans are saying it's not bullish, although you did just get above that, so that's invalidated. The Gone fans are not accurate anymore because they're just not. Let's go to the 15-minute chart, see what that's telling us. Gone fans are saying you're topping out here locally, so I mean you're at 6.1 cents. Maybe you go down to 6 cents, but I do think you're probably going to go up to 7 cents sooner than later. Although if you don't hold 6 cents, your next support is 5 cents. So short term, you could consolidate a little bit, but I think long term you're going to do pretty well on this. What is this market cap for this? Let me look on Dex Tools. Because not everything is based on market cap, but it does tell you how much potential you have to moonshot. So the market cap for VRA coin is, it's loading. All right, I don't know, it's loading. It's very slow at loading. 1 point, that's not right. Market cap is $412 million. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. This definitely has potential if that's right. So, all right, guys, that's all I got. I will see you guys Wednesday. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Trade safe.